Top 5 adaptogens for stress relief. How to use ashwagandha, rhodiola, and more. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're exploring a natural way to manage stress and improve your overall well-being. I'll guide you through the top 5 adaptogens, herbs that support your body in handling stress, boosting energy, and improving focus. Authority block. Adaptogens are well-researched herbs known for their ability to regulate the body's stress response. Clinical studies have shown that ashwagandha and rhodiola can reduce cortisol levels, enhance mood, and improve mental clarity. Incorporating these herbs into your daily routine can provide noticeable benefits without relying on medications. Problem setup. Chronic stress affects nearly every system in the body. It can disrupt sleep, weaken immunity, increase inflammation, and impact cognitive performance. Understanding how to manage stress naturally is crucial for maintaining long-term health and energy. Common mistakes. Many people believe that any herbal supplement will work instantly or that higher doses are more effective. In reality, using the wrong dosage or taking adaptogens at the wrong time can reduce their benefits. Additionally, relying on a single herb instead of a combination may limit the overall effect on stress management. Top 5 adaptogens. 1. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is one of the most studied adaptogens. Taking 300 to 500 milligrams daily can help lower cortisol, support restful sleep, and stabilize mood. It is best taken consistently over several weeks to notice effects. 2. Rhodiola rosea. Rhodiola is known for improving energy, mental focus, and resilience to stress. It is most effective when taken in the morning, as it can provide a natural boost without causing jitters. 3. Holy basil, Tulsi. Holy basil supports the nervous system and promotes calm. It can be consumed as a tea or in capsule form, making it easy to include in daily routines. 4. Eleuthero, Siberian ginseng. Eleuthero enhances physical and mental stamina and helps the body adapt to stress. Typical use is 1 to 2 capsules per day, and it can be particularly useful during periods of high workload or fatigue. 5. Schisandra berry. Schisandra berries improve both cognitive clarity and endurance. They can be consumed as a powder, extract, or in capsule form, and work best when combined with other adaptogens for comprehensive stress support. Using these adaptogens alongside hydration, light exercise, and deep breathing techniques can significantly enhance your stress resilience naturally. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Check out our other videos for more natural ways to improve your health and manage stress. Remember, managing stress is a process, not an instant fix. Start with one adaptogen today and gradually incorporate more into your routine. Your body and mind will thank you for consistent, safe, and natural support.
Wow.